3 challenges to expect as a content creator. If you wish to become a content creator, then you need to come up with a plan that will work for you. This plan needs to focus on many things, of course, such as the sort of content you'll make, the scripts you'll perform, and the ways that you'll attract and keep your audiences engaged for years. If you play your cards right, creating content can become your full-time career and can quite literally change your life. But if you don't do things the right way, the idea of being a content creator will remain a pipe dream that is always just out of reach for you. When you begin making your videos or online content, you need to keep in mind that there will be some serious challenges that present themselves and attempt to get in your way. It won't always be an easy path. Today, let's take a look at 3 of the biggest challenges that will make your life as a content creator a bit more difficult. These are not impossible to overcome, but they will certainly require some hard work and ingenuity. Firstly, you need to always remember this challenging aspect about being a content creator. This profession takes a lot of time. You'll spend hundreds on hundreds of hours coming up with content, writing it, filming it, editing it, advertising it, and continuing to pitch it to people long after it has been released into the world. This is a big challenge, especially for people who have full-time jobs. Sometimes it's very hard to come home from your 9-to-5 job only to spend several more hours working on your content. But this is something that needs to be done. You need to devote so much time to your content, and there will be times when you feel drained and completely exhausted. But without setting aside so much of your personal life for your content, you can't expect for it to succeed. You should also keep in mind that staying original and creative isn't easy either. You're going to tax your brain, sometimes to the limit, to always create something that is inventive, fresh, different, and fun. It doesn't matter what sort of content you're making. You need to put a lot of energy into ensuring that it is attractive to your audience. You always need to be on the cutting edge of what is modern, what is fun, what is engaging, what is going to bring in your regular audience as well as new people. Finally, you should know that actually making money from your content is challenging because it will take time. In fact, there is a good chance that you may never make money because of your content. You will need to secure so many views from all over the world before you're able to start seeing some money come in from your content. Now, there are other ways to make money via your content. Perhaps you create a partnership with a company. That is a great way to generate income from your content. However, that will also take a lot of time and doesn't happen overnight. To make money off your content, you need to have an audience, and that often takes time. Do not expect to see your bank account flourish the morning after you release content. You need to commit to your content and strap in for the long haul. Accruing money because of your content can happen, but it won't happen quickly, and you should not expect it to.